So Fibre King manufactures lidding machines for the meat industry because any of the medium to large abattoirs are firstly moving a lot of product which is very difficult to do manually. Their cases can weigh up to 60 pounds or 27 kilograms, and there's an OH&S risk that we need to counter, as well as something that glues consistently for a presentation that is suitable for both domestic and international clients. Meatworks are about as difficult an environment as you can work in, with the equipment going through a very, very torturous daily routine. The lidders are built with proprietary items that are freely available on the market, so that the equipment is ready to run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and up to 365 days a year. The lidders come in 2 mag, 4 mag and 6 magazine options, so some of the bigger meatworks who may have multiple clients that they're packaging for would need to run more lid variants within one machine. The machine will scan a barcode which is specific to a lid type and apply the correct lid for each of the barcodes. The operation is fully automatic and everything runs seamlessly once loaded with the correct lids and the correct data by the operator. We do have the option to add in an automatic system which tells the operators what the next half hour looks like in production or the next 2 hours looks like in production, so that they can preempt the product that's going to be coming through and have the machine ready accordingly. Thankfully, the lidders are a single unit which ships completely assembled, so it's a matter of once getting on site of running conveyors to and conveyors from the machine. So installation can generally be done within a couple of days, with commissioning being done in much the same period. So within a week, we can install a lidder and have it up and full functional at 20 cycles per minute on chilled and 15 cycles per minute on frozen. If we exclude the people doing the inspection, which is part of every single meatworks for leakers, or in this instance for China product, then the machine only requires one full-time operator, and that operator will both fill the magazines to make sure that the blanks are up to the level that they need to be to keep lidding, and to make sure that there's enough adhesive in the glue system to ensure continuous operation. Being the first company to design and manufacture a lidder in Australia, we have got a long history of over 30 years in the meat industry, and if you're looking for a solution that will look after your needs now and well into the future, please don't hesitate to make contact.